Hello, in this video, we are going to discuss how to copy a folder's contents from one folder to another for Windows Server's platforms using the Windows Server 2016 platform. Now, in this example, let me clarify. We have a folder in root C here called folder A1 that has a bunch of files in it. We want to copy those files, all of them, into the root folder of C called Jade Visions, which, as you can see now, has nothing in it. To do this, we are going to go down to the lower left-hand corner. We're going to click on the magnifying glass and type in CMD, Charlie Michael David, press enter. The command we're going to use for this is robocopy. So we type in ROBOCOPY, Roy Oscar, Bravo Oscar, Cat Oscar, Paul Yellow, space, and now we need the source name, which is going to be on the C drive. We're going to use the folder for the source, folder A1. We do a space and destination. This is going to be on the C drive, Jade Visions. And then we're going to press space again, and we're going to use two attributes, /Z space and /E space, and enter. 7 files were copied from C folder A1. There are the names, and we can change directory to the C Jade Visions directory, and we can do a directory listing and see that those files are there. If we confirm it in the GUI, the files are now there in the folder. And that's how you copy files from one folder to another folder on a Windows Server platform.